I'm Shakti Singh. Before some days I was searching a English teacher who can work on my English, who can teach me English, who can work on my fluency, who can work on my pronunciation, because that is horrible. So I got call from many teachers. I attended their demo class, but I was not satisfied. So one day I got call from Priyanka ma'am. She said that we will have our demo class today. So I said okay. So but when I attended her class, that was awesome, because within 5 minutes she understood that what I want to learn, where I am facing problems in English, where I have to work on my English, and how we can work on my English. So she became very familiar to me. She's so she's just awesome, because I'm not that confident guy, but in front of her, I'm like the other guy. I'm the other guy. I'm not the same. I'm not same Shakti, because I feel like I need to talk. I need to talk in English. I want to learn a lot. And yes, our first class was really awesome. And yes, I'm learning from her nowadays, and I'm improving. Literally, I'm improving, because before some days I just could not complete a sentence, but nowadays I'm trying. Now also I'm trying. Just talk to you, just tell you about the experience. How was my experience when attending the first class? So thank you so much, ma'am. Literally, that experience was great.